Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to do a spring makeup tutorial using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. So now that my eye is primed, I'm gonna go with this aqua eyeshadow right here. And I'm gonna use this flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna go in there and just tap it on first, like this. So I'm just gonna keep dabbing, dabbing, and tapping. And I'm going to blend. So now I'm gonna go in with this yellow eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to use another flat brush. Whatever brush works for you, then go ahead and use it, as long as it's not too big. So now that my brush is coated, I am going to apply it right here. It's gonna look a little weird at first, but we're gonna make it work. And we're gonna blend it. So now that we're blending it, you can see some green. And we're just going to apply it. And just build it up and blend until you are happy with the results. Now I'm going to start highlighting my eye. That way we can get this eyeshadow looking together. I'm gonna go with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here. And I'm going to use this synthetic brush from Wet n Wild as well. And I'm going to coat my brush, and I'm going to start highlighting. So now I'm gonna blend the highlight and the eye color with a blending brush like this. And we're just gonna do like circular and sideways motions to put everything into place. I'm gonna go back in with the blue and apply more. Like that. And blend. And at the end, I'm gonna go back in with the highlighter and just apply some more. I'm gonna go back with the NYX Milk Pencil and I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the inner corner right here. Like that. And I'm gonna go with my synthetic brush and blend any harsh edges. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with a Pallete Mineral Shimmer. And this one is in Sparkly White. This is super, super pigmented. So a little bit goes a long way. And I'm gonna use one of these tiny little brushes so that I can get a precise application. Now, very carefully, I'm going to come over here like that. Blend it a little bit right here. And I am gonna apply the shimmer right here on the curve of the brow bone. Let's go back here and there we go. Right there. And I'm gonna go back with the blending brush. Just to make sure everything is nice and blended. But I am gonna go back and forth with my colors. So I'm going back in with my blue once again. Tap, tap, tap. Like that. And my yellow. So I'm gonna get started on my lower lid. I'm gonna apply again my white pencil liner and just like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out. With another small brush. I bought like 4 or 5 of these because I really use very small brushes when I want to be like super detailed about something on my shadow. Now that the white liner on the bottom is blended, I'm going to use the same small brush and I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeshadow and apply it all over the lower lid. I'm gonna tap it on first. I really hope my camera and the lighting here is giving this eyeshadow some justice because it is super pigmented. It's very neon. Now I'm going to apply this green more so on the outer corner to smoke it out, and I'm going to bring it into the inner corner, but very like slightly very faded, like here. And then this little spot right here, I'm gonna blend with the brighter green eyeshadow like this. Then I go back with my blue. Okay guys, so I know this is kind of looking like a mess, but I promise lashes make everything look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This is a Fat Lash mascara from Ron Norman. And I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes. That way I can apply some falsies and call this a look. I hadn't done tutorials in a while, so this was a total, I wouldn't call it a disaster. I was just, I don't know. I was expecting these shadows, or not all the shadows, but I was expecting this aqua to apply smoothly, and it gave me a lot of trouble. So, I don't know. I just did my best and try to make it work. These are the lashes that I'm gonna use today. So I'm just gonna glue one in front of the camera so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to use my duo glue. This one that I love so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lash like this. Okay, so this is what my eye looks like with a false eyelash on. I decided to deepen my outer corner for my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back in with my palette and grab this green right here and just put it all over my outer corner. Then with the brush that I applied that first neon green, I'm gonna go back and blend it together. And just like I had said before, just go back and forth, back and forth. I didn't apply more product on this one, by the way. That way we can get a really blended lash, lower lash line. Okay guys, so this is what one eye looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera just to save some time. Otherwise this video is gonna be like 30 something minutes long. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm back with my eyes already done. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlight. That way we can finish this tutorial. So I'm gonna go with my Too Faced highlighter. So I'm just gonna be very light-handed and try to keep it settle because my eyes are kind of dramatic already. So we just want to keep the attention on the eyes. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you do click on that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!